Good morning, students. Welcome to the online lecture of Class 4 Maths. So, we have learned in this chapter till Rani's diary. We have completed the one portion of the Rani's diary in which the story of her and Munia was written, and from that pages of diaries we have answered some of the question. Moving further, the another story of that Rani is there. So let's see quickly. This is the similar story. So I will not give you the answer. I will just explain you. You have to do this activity in your homework. The PDF which I will share will consist of this question answer. Okay. Rani had a pet puppy. After 2 weeks, it opened its eyes. She watched it grow like this. So let's see. After 3 weeks, it got its first teeth and started eating. After 4 weeks, it started walking around but was still wobbling. Okay. Then it had a full set of teeth by the time it was 7 months old. After 1 year, it was a grow up dog and got its own puppy. Now make a timeline of this dog life in your notebook. Note the difference between Munia's and Rani's puppy. Okay, so let's see. So first we will see started walking. Okay, so in the table we have to write Munia age and puppy age. So let's see the answer. So in the previous lecture we have seen that Munia started walking after 11th month of her birth. Okay, that we have discussed. And in the today's story you have seen that after 4 weeks the dog started walking. Here it is written after 4 weeks it started walking around but was still wobbling. So the answer will be here 4 weeks and here 11th month. Similarly, when you will analyze the both the story, you will see that for the question number 2, ate food for the first time. Munia was 6 months for her birth and the puppy started eating after 3 weeks of its birth. And the third got the first tooth after 6 months of her birth and after 3 weeks of its birth by puppy. Now, moving further, we will have some question answer. So let's discuss is one by one. So the first question number 20, do all the animals grow at the same speed? Okay, we know that there are various number of animals around us. So do all the animals grow at the same speed? No, all the animals do not grow at the same speed. Some animals start walking earlier, but some takes time. The next is, here are the pictures of grandfather posing for a photograph. Who looked the eldest to you? So let's see in the textbook. So here are the three pictures. Here you can see that Elephant Appu's grandfather 95 years old, Chuchu Red's grandfather 2 years old, and the Rani's grandfather which is 70-year old. So from the picture you can say that Rani's grandmother looks the oldest to me. Okay, from this all three figure you can say that the Rani's grandfather is oldest. How much older is Appu's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? So what you have to do? You have to say the difference of age between the Appu's grandfather and Rani's grandfather. So the age of Appu's grandfather is 95 years old, right? And the Rani's grandfather is 70 years old. So you have to subtract 95, 70 from 95. So you will get the answer Apu's grandfather is older than Rani's grandfather by 95 minus 70, which is equal to 25 years. The next question is, how much younger is Chuchu's rat grandfather than Rani's grandfather? So here also you have to give difference of age. So Chuchu's grandfather is younger than Rani's grandfather by 70 minus 2, which is 68. So you can see here the age of Rani's grandfather is 70 years old and Chuchu's grandfather is 2 years old. So we have to answer what is the difference of age, and the difference of age is 68. Moving further, Atif wrote his letter on 10506. Do you know how to read the date? Okay, so let's learn how to read it. So the first figure of the date, see this one. The first figure of the date indicates the particular day of the month. Okay, if it is here written 1, so it is 1 is the first day of the month. Okay, if it is written 5, then it is the 5th day of the month. And a month consists of how many days? Yes, maximum 31 days. Okay, so if it is written as 28, so the answer will be 28th day of the month. The second figure is this 0, 5. So how you will predict this? For this you have to see this. You know this. There are 12 months. So numbering from 1 to 12. Here I have written the first month is January. So 1 January, 2 February, and similarly up to the 12 December. So the middle number is here 5. So 5 corresponding to May. So the date will be 1 is the first day of the month and 5 is for the 5th month, which is May, and 6 is for the year 2006. Okay, 10506. 1 stand for the first day of the month, 5 is the 5th month, and 6 is the year 2006. If instead of 5 11 was written, then it was November. It will be November. The month will be November. So let's do some practice of this. Now write which dates this stand for. 5506. So the first 5 stand for the 5th day of the month. So write it is as 5. 5 indicates the 5th month, which is May. So 5 May, and 06 indicates the year, which is 2006. Moving further, B 2506. So 20 as it is, it indicates the day of the month, 20th day of the month. 5 which is the month May. So 20 May 2006. C is 7606. 7 indicates the day of a month. So 7 is 7th day of a month. 6 represent the month. Let's see, 6th month is June. So 7th June 2006. The next is 1107. 1 is the, yes, right, the day of a month, first day of the month. The next one is about the month, which is January, and 07 means 2007. Here a printing mistake is there, so ignore it. The year is 2007. The next is write these dates in numbers. So here it is written A, first 1 June 2006. So we know that how to write it. 1 as it is. June represent which month? Yes, 6. So 1/6/2006. The last 2 digit of the year 06, we have to write it. So 1606. The next is 30 May 2006. 30 as it is. May represent the which month? 5th. So 30/5/06. 10th August 2007. So 10 as it is. August represent which number? Yes, 8. So 10/8 and the last two digit of the year, which is 07. So here we end our lecture. From next lecture we will continue this chapter. Thank you.